Hello my precious viewers from all around the world. I'm Nicola. Welcome to my channel, NNWeb. First of all, I want to thank you for watching this video. This is an introduction lecture in a video series about WordPress. Here we are going to talk about how to set up WordPress on local machine, getting to know the platform, install a specific theme, plugin, and in the end you can make your first website. So please join me on this exciting journey. WordPress is an open source software you can use to create a nice looking website, blog, or application. WordPress, more precisely WordPress.org, is a content management system, shortly CMS. Heart of WordPress are two powerful programming languages, PHP and MySQL. CMS started as a blogging platform on 27 May 2003. It was founded by Matt Mullenweg and Mike Little. Today, WordPress runs more than 30% of the entire internet. Pay attention, because on the web market exist two WordPress domains, .org and .com. Often, this is a confusing thing, so we will clarify it later. In first place, WordPress was used for blogging. Since then, the application was evolved. Today, it is much more. It is a still web published application. You can download it, install on the server with database, and publish your content on the web. For example, you can build different types of websites, a blog, magazine website, e-commerce, business, or maybe a portfolio. Your imagination is the limit. Now, I'm going to explain how WordPress functioning on this simple example. For instance, you are owner of blog website and you want to publish post about first episode of the Witcher TV series. This post is stored in database on server. When visitors come on your website, WordPress shows them your last published post. WordPress is a free open source application. It has a strong community that promotes and maintains it all for free. Why is that important? During development of your WordPress website, you may encounter many problems and obstacles. Answer for your trouble you can find thanks to the community. There is a great chance that someone already met with the same problem. Using WordPress, you become a part of that community. Later, if you want, you can contribute to it. I have a problem. First, search many of WP forums. There is no answer. Second, make a question. Then, short after that, here comes the solution, thanks to the great people from community. Before talking about themes and plugins, which are very important parts of WordPress, I want to clarify some differences. If you are searching about WordPress on a Google, you can see two domain names with WordPress in it, .com and .org. Maybe you were confused and you thought, where can I find WordPress? Well, on the WordPress.org, you can find and download the WordPress application itself. Also, you can find everything about the WordPress open source projects. Here you can find forums, themes, plugins, etc. But WordPress.com is a site which offers WordPress application for free or for pay. This is a blogging platform just like Google's Blogger. Here you can build your website without installation of WordPress itself. However, you will be restricted by the platform and his rules. You cannot install plugins and themes on this site. Already, you can choose from their library. Still, WordPress.com you can use for build your first blog. In time you will be better and better, so you will need more and more functionalities. In that moment, you will say, "Now I'm moving to the real WordPress site. I want self-hosted website with endless possibilities for tweaking. Oh yeah." WordPress themes is a collection of templates used to define look of your website. Some themes have multiple templates, some don't. Each one has a different design, layout, and features. WordPress website can function without theme. Most themes have customization options for changing colors, heading, font, and so on. On link WordPress.org, you can find themes directory section with hundreds free themes. More of themes are free but in their light version. If you want to use full version, without limit, you must pay for it. Free themes are a great way to promote their older brothers. In future videos, we are going to spend a big amount of time dissecting few themes. Plugin is a piece of code which give more functionality to your website. Just like themes, on market you have a free or paid version of this software. WordPress community have a pretty nice and huge repository of plugins. Here is one example where the plugin is very helpful. I assume you already know what is needed for basic site functioning. I mean, just skeleton, headers, paragraphs, images, and so on. And different shades of color, fonts, and sections. If you are thinking about HTML and CSS, you're right. WordPress inside contains these two markup languages and at least PHP and JavaScript. For our plugin example, we are talking about CSS. Plugin name is WP Add Custom CSS, and you can find it on plugin repository and install it. This is default dashboard setup for WordPress. Later in this video series, I will show you all of these sections, but for now, click on Plugins. Click Add New and type the name of plugin. In our case, that will be WP Add Custom CSS. This is our plugin. Click Install Now. Wait few seconds for installation itself. And click on Activate. Click here to change some settings. Enable Advanced CSS Editor. Click on Save. Here, go to Pages, Add New, Add Title, and insert a heading. Introduction, word. Here, I want to change color of this word without touching this. I'm going to do that through HTML and CSS. It will be very simple, just follow me. Click here, edit as HTML, and put span tag around this word. Before targeting the span tag, click on Preview to see our page and black color on introduction. Then give class name in this span. Primary color, it is primary color, and use this class to change color property, and value is CD2653. Then click on Publish and view our page. Ta-da! This is one of many examples how WordPress plugins can be very useful. This is all for introduction video. Before ending, let's do recap. WordPress is a free and open source platform not just for website building. Second, WordPress is application itself. WordPress.org is site when you can find application and everything about it, and WordPress.com is a service built on top of WordPress. Next, with WordPress you can build a lot of different web pages like magazine, business website, forums, etc. Next, for running WordPress need live server. With themes and plugins you can build better looking websites. WordPress behind his back have a huge community of users, and the most important thing is WordPress is absolutely free. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned, more videos is on the way. Thank you.